gentlemen, Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly present the Bird Show! And choosing our host for today,
Alright, so hi everyone, good morning, hi. So did you see our group of teachers? Digital technologies were used as a messenger to carry out message to our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy because our flying feathered friends are going to show us amazing treats, awesome stats, guest participation, important environmental message. And of course, we are more on education, conservation, and entertainment. So now, the question is, are you ready to be amazed with our flying feathered friends? Alright, so to start with, let me call my partner here on stage, Mr. Ian. Alright, Mr. Ian. And to welcome our blue and gold mama named Amigo. Hi, Amigo. Alright, so now Amigo originated from South America and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a very responsible bird and he loves to see his environment clean. Now let's see what Amigo do. Okay, first, alright, so good bird. You pick up the plastic out. Come on, open it to me. And drop it inside. Alright, now for the second one, buddy. You pick up the Coca-Cola can, go all the way, open the bin and drop it inside. Now, last one. Good bird, okay, and drop it inside. Now see, if the bird can do what can we, right? So always remember that put your trash in the trash bins because we all know that cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay, well, I guess I'm good together with these flying feathered friends. That's something to tell us. What do you want to see them, buddy? So welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we are two blue and gold macaws named Kyle. Hi, Kyle. And Carl. Alright, and wait, there's more. Now, buddies, please come out. Alright, here you are. So we have a pair of gold macaws named Harry, and Tony, Carl, and Carl. And our green macaw named Rico. Alright, so by the way, macaws are very adaptive birds, so whatever environment they are in becomes quite normal for them. And if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. And their diet, they love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they also have a powerful beak that can crack a hard-shelled nut. So in fact, we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world. And of course, macaws are the largest. Well, I guess they're going back home to get more food. So a round of applause for flying macaw. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, for our next bird is a versatile, intelligent, and of course a handsome bird. But I need your help to call his name. Everybody say Jumbo. Louder, please say Jumbo. Alright, now Jumbo, please come out, buddy. Alright, you are. Okay, now come on, please. So this time, buddy, I want you to wave at them. Can you wave back? Hi. Good bird, okay. One more, buddy, wave at them. Come on. Alright, so macaws have a very long tail and feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from their head to tail. And their tail can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful tail. Now when you turn around, good bird. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So we can see most of the colors outside their body and less color under its wing. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful wings. Everybody say wings. Okay, good bird. One more, buddy, say wings. Alright, so macaws' feet are sidedactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. And they also use their beak to hold on things and fly. Now Mr. Ian, he has a ground nut. We will place it inside the plastic basket. And that's our reward for Jumbo. Now let's see how Jumbo will get his reward. Okay, buddy, come on, pick it up. Good bird. Alright. So by the way, we are using a reward system to recompense the intelligence and the efforts of our birds. And as one I said earlier, Jumbo is a very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we prepared two tests for Jumbo. First, we will be having a spelling test. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have here 5 animal pictures: the snake, zebra, tiger, horse, and the camel. And I want you to choose one animal picture only, okay? So, what will you choose? Louder, please. Alright, so I hear tiger, Miss Jihan. So Mr. Irving is preparing the jumbled letters. Let's have a short interview together with Mr. Ian. So Isaac, good morning. How are you? Doing great. Okay, so what are Jumbo's favorite foods?
Regular seeds, fruits, and
Again, varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Okay? Thank you, Mr. Irving. Now, buddy, just take a look at the picture carefully and what you spell on the tiger. Okay, so first letter, Jumbo, pick up the letter T. Okay, we bring now for the second one. Alright, so Jumbo, pick up the letter I. Now for the third letter. Okay, slowly, a little slowly. Okay, now for the fourth letter, we'll choose. Good bird now, last one, come on. You can do it. Good bird. Come on, pick it up. Alright, so Jumbo, pick up the letter R. So the final spell T-I-G-E-R. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Okay. Well, I think it's too easy for Jumbo. So now let's have a mathematical test in addition form. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to choose two numbers between 1 to 10. Okay? So first, beside answer, give me one number. Hand gesture lang. Come on, hand gesture. Alright, so 5. Okay? Let's have 5. How about this side, higher than 5? 10. 5 and 10 with Mr. Irving. Alright, now Mr. Ian, what are Jumbo's favorite subjects? English and math. So where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu, Safari.
University of Cebu, Safari. Now Mr. Ian, where did Jumbo originally came from? South America, but he also stayed in the Philippines, right? Yes, of course. Okay, now buddy, 5 plus 10 is equal to, now let's see how good he is at math. So first number, what will you choose? Okay, good word. So Jumbo, pick up number 1 now. Last number, buddy. Alright. So Jumbo, pick up number 5 now. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Is it correct?
Yes.
Alright, so round of applause for Greenway Company. Jumbo, thank you, buddy. At this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I need 2 volunteers. A kid and adult volunteer. So we have there our volunteer staff. Kuya Calvin, so we will give you advice or instruction to what will you do. So make sure yung ang bata is dili mahalok sa bird, okay? Alright, so how about an adult volunteer? Adult, yes ma'am? Alright, so I think we already have a volunteer. So hi ate, hi, I'm here. You're not afraid of the bird? Sure, you're not afraid? I'm here, hi. You're not afraid? Okay, just don't do an extra movement, relax, and don't touch our bird. Now, I think I please stretch your right arm like this. Here, just like this. Alright, now. Are you ready? Ready na? Okay, now I want you to meet our cute and fluffy bird named Bunny. Please come out, Bunny. Okay, just don't move. Alright, good job. Okay. So as you can see, Bunny is a very small bird. but he is a good leader, and he made a lot of friends at home. So after he finishes food, he will go back inside and call his friends. So by the way, 70 years have a golden plumage from their head down to its underpart, and they also have a green. Okay, good job, ate. Okay, take your time, buddy. Alright, so just like other birds, they love to varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Okay, thank you, buddy. Thank you, ate. Good job. You may now take your seat. Okay. So, mom, your next mom. Are you ready? Two hands. Yes, ma'am. Alright, then again, just don't do extra movements. Relax and don't touch our birds.
Dako mo na kay adult.
So, are you ready, ma'am? Ready? I hear. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of Southerners, Spanish friends. Alright. So, as you can see, our birds are free to fly because we don't spread their wings. So, we let our birds engage in their natural habitat to exercise their natural behavior. Okay. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, mom. Thank you very much. You may now say your seat. Okay, now, for the third volunteer, again, I need an adult volunteer.
Katong ni Patong ni Adam ato sila.
Will set centers of rage. An adult volunteer will set centers of rage. Come on, I want to volunteer. Yes? Yes, sir? Okay. Alright, please stand here so the centers of rage, okay?
Mupa, ano na ang mga birds yung
Alright,
head.
once again, good morning.
Pakaon na.
Center, then face the crowd. Then grab your hat with your one hand on this, okay? Again, just don't do an extra movement. Relax and don't touch our birds. Now, are you ready, sir? Okay, now let me introduce you to our couple birds named Ding and Dong. Alright. So Sagittarius are monogamous type of birds, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime. And if their partner dies, that's the only time they will choose or find
Gamay naman ko ay yung feeds,
Okay,
kaya nga
thank you very
hope
much,
man.
sir. Thank you, and of course, thank you, Ding and Dong. Alright, now for the last volunteer. Again, I need an adult volunteer, but now I also need money.
Lang.
I need 500 or 1,000.
Wow.
Come on, who wants to volunteer?
Wala.
Oh, no, hindi na isa. Come on, who wants to volunteer? For the last one, yes, ma'am? Alright. So if you have your money with you, ma'am, please bring your money. So I need 1,000.
Wow.
Okay, we're just joking. Alright, so here's the stage now together with me. Here's the stage. Alright, then left side now. Left side back. So once again, good morning ma'am. Hi, how are you? Doing great. So may I ask what's your name ma'am?
Christine.
Christine? Okay, so for now ma'am Christine, just keep your money for a while na put it in your pocket because you need it later, okay ma'am? And can you please hold your sleeve with your two hands, then face the crowd, just like this. Okay, again, just don't do the extra movements, relax and don't touch our birds. So ma'am Christine, are you ready now? Ready? Okay, so we have another bird species, our flying lark. So buddy, please come out. Alright. So here are black-cap lories and rainbow lories. So lories are constantly active and noisy. And approximately 70% of their day spent feeding, and they will travel more than 48 kilometers a day to find their food. And also some of the lories can feed on as much as 650 flowers each day. Okay, thank you, buddy. Alright, so now on your seat. Please get back to my hand and show it to the crowd. Alright, so So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, Ma'am Christine has 1,000 peso bill. So all you have to do now is to fold your money 3 times, same direction. Okay, folding up 1, 2, and last fold. Alright, then raise your right arm with your money.
Wow, no.
Okay, just don't do an extra movements, relax, and don't touch our bird. So now, Ma'am Christine, are you ready now? Sure?
Sure na yun.
Sure na yun. Hindi lang siya magdalagay. Alright, so by the way, we have another son here named Sunny. Now, Sunny, please come. Okay, so Sunny loves money. Normal in the wild, they love to pick up things to build their nest. Now, let's see what Sunny will do. Come on, buddy. Say like to Ma'am Christine and thank you, Mr. Alex. Bye, Sunny, and well, that's what you get if you want to be the last volunteer. So, Ma'am Christine, I have a question now. Did you enjoy? Alright. Sure?
I did.
Let's do it again. Do you have another one, Kate? Another one came up. Alright, so, by the way, we're just joking, ladies and gentlemen. So, Sunny is a very good bird, and he is very kind. So, he will return back your money now. Okay? Second hand, say it inside, then raise your right arm, and open your palm. So, Sunny will return back your money, just grab the money, and that's the bird. Okay, Ma'am Christine? Alright. Now, Sunny, be a good bird. Can you please return back your money, your 1,000 peso bill? Come on, buddy. Alright, give it back. Say thank you, everyone. Alright, now go to Mr. Ayan. Okay, good bird. Thank you, Mr. Ayan. Thank you, Sen. And of course, thank you, Ma'am Christine. Thank you very much, Ma'am. Thank you. Okay. So from the jungle of South America, let's wander the rainforest of Brazil because we have here our most handsome tuca named Mr. Horn. Hey, Mr. Horn. So tuca is the largest of all tuca species. They have a black body and white mark on their throat that helps them to camouflage in the rainforest. So as you can see, Mr. Aya has some fruits. So he will toss it to Mr. Horn and let's see how good he is at catching his food. Good bird. Okay, one more. Alright, nice catch. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, their large bill looks heavy, but actually it is extremely light because it is made up of protein and keratin, just like our hair and nails. One more. One more. Okay. So by the way, you can live in southern Mexico, Central America, northern part of South America, and the Caribbean. And their lifespan in the wild, they can live for 25 years, while in captivity, they can survive up to 35 years. Okay, we go now. Alright, by Mr. Horn. Now, a round of applause for most handsome, tuca Mr. Horn. Okay, so since we're in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Horn's good friends, our yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Judy, together with their mentors Miss Jen and Mr. James.
Thank you, Sir Sherby. Hello everyone, this is our yellow-crowned Amazon parrot named Riley and Ruby. Yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is the most commonly breed Amazon due to its typical ability and playfulness.
That's right. We need to talk sound with what we heard every day.
Can you say hi?
Hi!
They can mimic the different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, cat, and a dog, and after mimicking a phone ringing. For the rooster, how about cat? close the door now. How about the first song? Okay. Okay, we're the second song with Vance first. So celebrating their birthdays to their birthday this month. Say hi, happy birthday, and lesson 30. This time we're going to sing a happy birthday song. Here's happy birthday. Sarah and Douglas are making birthday like
Nice.
Alright, so thank you Miss Jen and Mr. James. And that's our yellow-crowned Amazon parrots, our mimicking birds, Lani and Judy. So, ladies and gentlemen, since you already witnessed the extraordinary skills of our cute and fluffy birds, now it's time to meet some ferocious raptors, the birds of prey. So when you say birds of prey, are those birds who choose or pursue smaller mammals, reptiles, and birds. Like for example, hawks, eagles, owls, and vultures are defined as the birds of prey. Now please sit down everyone. Please sit down. For our first bird of prey, we have here this natural great flight or Brahmanica named glider. Alright. So Brahmanica is formerly known as the red-backed sea eagle in Australia. But here in the Philippines, they are locally known as Banok in Bisaya and Lawi in Tagalog. So their diet, they love eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And they are mostly found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia. Okay, now glider. Come on, buddy, go get inside now. Go get inside. Glider. Good bird. Okay. Hey, come on. Alright, well, I guess this is the this time. Come on, buddy.
Balik siya. Okay na ang usa.
And also they have a reddish-brown body plumage, contrasting with their white head and breast, which makes them easy to distinguish from other birds of prey. And their lifespan in the wild can be from 30 years old. In captivity, they can survive up to 40 years. Come on! Hey! This is down and don't touch our bird.
Di, kaya naaman ang usa.
Hey, come on, glider.
Kanang usa ba? Di. Dapat wala na siya. There. Mag-show lagi siya, oy. Dili, di mo na. There.
Hey!
Oh, nagkuyog. Nagproblema silang kuya, kaya di mo na ang bird. Nakakitag friend.
Glider.
Siya naminaw. Oh, yun. Balik yun siya. Ang kanang usa, dapat wala siguro na yung usa. Mag-away sila.
Glider, come on!
Kanang si liar. There. Oh! Balik yun siya. Ang usa mo yun eh.
Alright, so from the medium size of birds, let's move on to the one of the largest bird of prey. And with that again, I need your cooperation to please remain seated. No one will stand and don't try to reach out our bird because our bird will fly closer give to you again. Please remain seated, no one will stand, and don't try to reach out our bird because our bird will fly closer to you. So we have there our bird trainer, Miss Debbie. Are you good, ma'am? Alright, now eyes here. Ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale, keep your heads up high. Sir White, God's legal name, Armina. So white-billed sea eagle, also known as the king of the sea, or the white-breasted sea eagle. So they have a white plumage from their head down to the underpart, and they also have a dark gray wing. Same as the other birds, they are monogamous type of birds, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime. And their diet, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds, especially aquatic animals, fishes, and sea snakes. And just like other animals, the female is slightly larger than the male. And of course, Marina is a female. And also they're mostly found in Southeast Asia, Australia, and Tasmania.
Kaon ang dara.
Alright, so a round of applause for white-billed sea eagle named Marina. And to seal this moment, we have here our flying lorries all the way from Australia. Marina, hey, come on. So we have here three types of lorries, the dusty lorries, shattering lorries, and the red and blue lorries. In order to make this moment more memorable, we have here the symbol of love. Peace. Prosperity and harmony, our beautiful seasons. And also our scarlet ivies all the way from South America. Hi. Come here, come on.
Shy.
Don't be shy, but it's clear. So before we go to the end of our show, let me introduce to you the people behind the success of the show. My partner here on stage, Mr. Ian, together with Marina, and of course our other bird chasers. First up, up there, Mr. Lee, our volunteer staff, the crew, and last but not the least, our professional bird trainer, Mr. Aiken, all the way from Singapore. And here's showing my name is Shirley, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you everyone, and enjoy the rest of the wow. Thank you very much. Thank you.